Hello viewer, welcome to my YouTube channel Software Testing. As part of Python tutorial today, I will show you how to install Pandas on your system and create your first app using Streamlit Pandas. So then there is the first question, what is Pandas? So Pandas is a Python library used for data analysis and manipulation. It provides data structure like data frames and series, which are similar to tables and lists respectively, but with more functionalities. Pandas is built on top of NumPy library and is widely used in data science, machine learning, and other fields. We will first install Pandas, then we will create our first app, Streamlit Pandas. Here is the command for checking your Pandas version. So import pandas as pd, thereafter pd._version__. Here is the command for pandas install, pip install pandas. In order to install pandas, you need to have Python and pip install on your system. Those who doesn't know how to do that, I have a separate video for that in my channel. You can watch from there. So first thing first, we need any editor. I will use PyCharm IDE. You can use any other IDE. Once you are in project, right click in the project, new Python file. You need to create a Python file. Let's say my file name is first app. Then hit enter from keyboard. Here is your Python file created. First thing, import pandas as pd. You see pandas is a red mark. If you mouse over, you see install pandas package. That means pandas is not installed. Thereafter also you can do print command, print pd dot __ version __. If you run this, you will get an error. So let me run it. So here you need to click run. You see there is no module named pandas. So now we need to install pandas. How you can install? You need to go to command prompt. Let's say you can open cmd. Thereafter you need to write pip install pandas. Then hit enter from keyboard. It will take some time, but it will install. So let's wait a little bit. We'll see the progress in over here. You see it is installing collected package pandas. It will give you the successful message once it is installed. You see here is a message successfully installed pandas. Also here is a message, a new release of pip is available. We are not taking right now that one. Let me exit from here. Now open editor. You see red mark is gone. If you run this package right now, run, you will see the pandas version over here. You see 2.2.3. that means we are okay with that. So now we need to work for our app. So first thing, we need to import another package. Import Streamlit as st. First thing, st.title. We'll give our title over here. Let's say our title is my first Streamlit pandas app. Thereafter we need to do a horizontal line after the writing first app. So in order to do that, st.write, then parenthesis. So hereafter we need to do 3 underscore. Then we can import pandas for our data app. So that, let's say declare a variable df equal to pd dot DataFrame. Here we need to do parenthesis, within parenthesis we need to do have curly bracket. In between that we need to have data placed in over here. So in order to make a shorter video, I already created data over here. Let me copy from here. So whatever data needed, you need to copy from here, or later tutorial I'll show you, you need to import CSV file or any data file, then you can work for that. Here is a table, student ID, student name, subject and year. This application will create a data table for this data. So now we need to call this df. Now we can run this app. In order to run this app, what you need to do, go to the command prompt. Also you can run it from PowerShell. It is by default, it is coming PowerShell. I am doing from the command prompt. Command prompt, what you need to do, streamlit run your app name. Our app is first, FIRST, first app, FIRST, first app.py. Then hit enter from keyboard. So it is running. It is your first app. You see how cool it is. Without any HTML, CSS, you can create your app. It is a, as I mentioned, data related. It's a data table. Also in the app you have the functionality. We don't even write anything ascending, descending or any other thing. So if you go to the column, there is a 3 dot, you can do sort ascending, it is ascending order. Also any column you can do your ascending, descending order and any other thing. So sort ascending, you see John Smith, sort descending Smith, Sam, John, Amy. In this way you can organize your data. So also we can do another change in our app. Let's say this one, this my first app, we need to blue color on it. Let's say in order to do that, clone blue within angle bracket, wrap up all the thing. So now go to app and just refresh. You see it is affected. In this way you can create your app using Streamlit Pandas, and you can modify whatever needed. You just need to modify the code and refresh the browser, it will affect. You don't need to save or anything else. In this way you can create your data related app using Streamlit Pandas, very easy way. I believe those who are new in Streamlit and Pandas, this video will be very helpful for themselves. If you think this is helpful, please like my video, subscribe my channel and share it to others. Also, if you have any question, please make a comment. I will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this video.